If you're looking for a high protein snack that your kids will actually adore, well, your search ends here. Today, I am going to show you how to make this creamy chocolate spread that comes together with just 3 ingredients. It has as much protein as peanut butter. It is super creamy, super chocolatey, and you control the sugar. Finally, something that the entire family agrees. This is very simple and it gets done in just 2 steps. In step 1, I'm going to show you how to create this chocolate spread in under 1 minute. And then in step 2, I'm going to show you how I slice my apples so that they are always crisp with no brown spots for a whole week at a time. I found out about this recipe a few weeks ago by a French creator named Elisabeth Lonck. And I've been very much obsessed by this recipe ever since. So step 1, we need 1 part of cocoa powder, 2 parts of soy milk, and 2 parts of roasted peanut powder. I had no idea what roasted peanut powder was until I had to buy the ingredients for this recipe. And it's basically peanut where most of the fat has been removed and then turned into this powder. So I really like this protein dip for myself as well. All right, now close the lid. And then all you have to do is start shaking. Let's do it. This is the hardest part of the recipe. And then that's it. Just give it a stir in there. And add a little bit of maple syrup inside. And just look how shiny that paste is. Oh, look at that. This is very good. It's very smooth. It's very creamy. It's good for you. I love it. So, this is my mom's hack for slicing apples. And what I love about it is, besides the fact that they don't turn brown for 5 to 7 days, they don't taste sour. The lemon juice for me just is too sour. So you add the apples inside the water, a small pinch of salt, dry them completely like that. And they are ready to be packed. If you like this recipe, make sure to check out my 10-minute pho recipe. Thank you.